how to log in into TTD Account Online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in into TTD account. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open any browser. And then on the search box, go ahead and type in tirupatibalaji.ap.gov.in and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page. Go ahead and click on the login option at your top right corner. Now in this page, go ahead and enter your registered mobile number. After that, go ahead and click on Get OTP. And now you will receive an OTP in that number. Go ahead and enter the code that you just received. And now simply click on Login and you will be able to log in to your TTD account. And that's it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned till our next upload.